Ever wanted to dive into millions of songs and podcasts but weren't sure how to start? Let's get you set up on Spotify. First, you'll need to download the Spotify app from your device's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll see options to either sign up free or log in. Since we're creating a new account, tap Sign Up Free. Spotify offers several convenient ways to create your account. You can choose to sign up quickly using your Google or Facebook account, which will pre-fill some of your details. Alternatively, you can opt to sign up with your email address or phone number for a more traditional setup. If you choose email or phone, you'll be prompted to enter a valid email address or phone number, create a secure password, and provide your birth date. Make sure to use a password you'll remember but is also difficult for others to guess. Next, you'll be asked to provide a name. This can be your real name or a nickname, and select your gender. This helps Spotify personalize your experience and recommendations. Before finalizing, you'll need to agree to Spotify's terms and conditions. Simply check the box when you've reviewed them. And just like that, you're in. You've successfully created your Spotify account and can now start exploring vast libraries of music and podcasts. Get ready to discover your next favorite tune.